Hey everyone, this is Cassandra Love Lambert, also known as C Love, and I am welcoming you to my page. Who I am is a mom, an artist, an entrepreneur, and this journey with C Love started when I got pregnant. I was 5 months pregnant, starting my life over from scratch. It was a very humbling experience. I had to move back to my mom's. And in this process of recreating myself and moving forward as a single mom, I intuitively was pushed to ask a friend if I could paint for her night events. And she said yeah. And so I literally taped these signs up on the walls and I sat in the back of a venue and people would sit with me, rub my belly for good luck, and get painted with me. And it was before I even knew what I was doing. And at that point, I thought it was just going to be something I did to get by. And it just kept growing. And I love it. My favorite moments of loving people up is just like when I show them in the mirror what I did for them and they're so excited, and also the transformation they go through in my chair. Sometimes they could be upset or going through something in life. I've even had people show up to my chair crying because it's something that just happened with them and their friends. And by the time they leave my chair, they're happy and they're just beaming and full of life and feeling beautiful. It's one of the things that I really love. And with this pandemic, I obviously can't go to events, and I can't do makeup, and I can't be in person with anyone. So I pivoted my business, and one of the things I did was put all that love I normally put on people's faces. I put it into these little kits. I have a Wham Bam kit, and then I also have a Quickie kit, and you can get either one of those kits. The biggest difference between the two kits is that the Wham Bam has more of the reusable center beautiful jewels in it, and then the other one just has more of a generic simple almond shaped third eye gem in it. And basically with these two kits, I wanted to be conscious and I wanted to put a lot of thought and intention into them. So everything is reusable, the containers, the bags, even the gems. And I go through like how you take care of your gems in a tutorial. But I wanted this to be very conscious. So everything's reusable. So it's about taking care of it and not just buying something to slap on to go out to just throw it away, like those sticker things you see, people just throw them away. This is about taking care of your gems, really honoring and taking pride in them, taking care of them, and then also reusing your packaging versus just throwing it in the garbage. So these are the kits, and what I also included with the kits is also a tutorial link for the specific kit. But I also included a bonus of a virtual sparkle party where you get to connect with others virtually, especially during this pandemic with social distancing. So you get to create community. We get to walk through the steps together. It's really fun and funny because it is a little bit of a stepping stone and a little bit of well, I'm looking for the word, but it's a skill set. And so there is like a curve of learning, like a learning curve. So it's fun. You get to meet new people. You get to sparkle yourself. And we get to hang out virtually. So I'd really love to have you join me and become a part of the C Love tribe and get your sparkle on. We've been having a lot of kids on as well, which is so fun. Sometimes they actually get it quicker than the adults because they have the tiny hands and the tiny fingers and they just like go for it, and the adults are like a little bit more careful, but it's a lot of fun and I'd love to have you join me. And all you have to do is get either the Wham Bam or the Quickie kit, and then you automatically get to come join me for the sparkle party and come build sisterhood and be with others in quarantine as well, and do it with your kids, so it's a bonding experience. So go ahead and click below and get your sparkle kit and come join the party. We're also going to have special parties going like for Pride, because SF had to cancel their SF Pride, so we're gonna have an SF Pride kit. It's gonna be like all rainbow, and we're gonna have a sparkle party for Pride. I think I'm gonna bring in a DJ so we get all sparkly, and then we get to dance just as if we were at the event. And then we'll have other themes as well, so stay tuned. Thank you for joining my page, and I look forward to getting to know you better, and I will see you on the other side. Bye.